Hey guys, welcome back. So in the time I've had my channel, quite a few of you guys have asked for products and routines that would help acne prone skin. I haven't really been able to cater to this since I don't usually have that skin type. I only struggle from breakouts here and there, although lately I have been dealing with hashtag ISO skin. I'm sure you guys have heard of it, but from being in isolation or from this current whole phenomenon, our skin has been struggling. For me, I think it's mainly having to wear masks all day every day. I have been breaking out like crazy on my chin and my skin just hasn't been quite right. So today I have actually collabed with Wishtrend to introduce you guys to the Wish Try Love Step-by-Step Acne Skincare Box. So this box is specially curated for those who do struggle with acne prone skin and don't have like a proper routine in place, or you're not sure what products to use in combination to help with that skin type. So the box actually includes products for during and then before and after extraction, as well as after dealing with pigmentation and stuff. So it's like an all-in-one. This box has all the products that you need for a full routine. So I thought I would introduce it to you guys because honestly it sounds amazing and I will probably start using it right away to try to take care of my own business on my face. Let's get into unboxing this baby. Yay! Let's hydrate before we get into it. So it comes in a cute purple box. Gonna go ahead and open it up. Ready to fall in love? Yes I am. It comes all packaged in there. Comes with a little card explaining the box, and you can actually hop onto their channel to see how it is used and all the steps and stuff, although I will explain it to you today as well. And then inside we've just got all the products wrapped up in there. So I will go through each product and kind of explain what it's good for and how to use it. The first product is the by Wishtrend Acid Duo 2% Mild Gel Cleanser. So this is a low pH cleanser of 5 to 6 and it includes acids LHA and PHA. So the good thing about these acids is that they're actually really gentle even compared to AHA and BHAs. Even if you do have acne prone or sensitive skin, it exfoliates really gently and only kind of on the surface of the skin. So a really good one for everyone. So it is a gel to foam formula. You can use it by itself in the morning or as a second step cleanser if you are using it in the PM and removing makeup. Next product is the I'm from Mugwort Essence. Now I love this product. I actually didn't. My mum broke my first bottle by accident, but I got my second bottle and more than halfway through, absolutely love it. So this product only includes one ingredient. It is made of 100% Mugwort Essence, which is known to help calm and soothe the skin, and it also helps to reduce inflammation for active acne as well. So the way they recommend using it and the way I use it a lot is you pop it on a cotton pad first and then wipe across your face to get rid of any excess residue and all of that. And then the second step, just put some in the palm of your hand and then pat it into your skin to help soothe. It really does help hydrate your skin as well as calm down any irritation that is on your skin. I don't usually get irritation, but when I do, I use this and it really does help to calm it down. And you can also use it in the place of toner, so it's especially good for those of you who do have acne skin and you don't have to follow it up with like another product. So that is a winner for sure. It is also a vegan. Klairs freshly juiced vitamin drop. I have mentioned this in the past many times. It is a vitamin C serum, although it is a very stabilized vitamin C 5% serum, so really good for people who do have sensitive skin. It's not going to be quite as harsh as a lot of other vitamin C serums on the market, and it does also include Centella asiatica, so it's really nice to soothe and protect your skin barrier as well. So with this one, just apply a couple drops on your face after your essence or toner, and then just blend it in and it will absorb nicely into your skin, leave a bit of a glow. And obviously this one is going to help with pigmentation, scarring, evening out skin tone overall. So this is more your post treatment to help kind of lighten those acne scars that you might have gotten from extraction. And then we have this one, the I'm from Vitamin Tree Water Gel. I actually have tried this one in the past. I just tried a sample, but I absolutely loved it. So I'm really excited that I'm too excited. I'm very excited that I will be able to try it out fully. So this one includes 68% of vitamin tree water as the main ingredient, which is a really nice brightening and soothing ingredient. The texture is very light and watery, so it helps hydrate your skin, replump your skin, and leave an amazing glow. That was the thing I remember the most. It just left like such a nice glow, but since it is a really light watery texture, it's still going to be good for those who have oilier skin because it isn't going to be too heavy or oily or clog up your pores. And of course you can use that morning and night too. So the next product is the last product of kind of your everyday routine, and it is the by Wishtrend Sulfur 3% Clean Gel. I have not tried this one yet, but it is essentially a spot treatment. This one does have 3% of sulfur, which is known for a really long time to be a acne fighting ingredient. So it does help to dry out the skin and unclog pores, but typically they do tend to be drying. But the good thing about this product is they have included hyaluronic acid, so it's still really mild and hydrating, and it's not going to dry your skin out, which is really nice. Apply this directly on active pimples and it will help soothe and reduce the size. And if you do struggle with kind of widespread breakouts all over your face, just apply a really thin layer all over, and it's going to help reduce the inflammation all of your skin as well. I'm really stoked to try this one. Eunice said it's one of her favorite products, so I will trust her. The last one is more kind of like probably not something you will use every day, but something really handy to have, and it is the by Wishtrend Clear Skin Shield Patch. So this is a pimple patch. There are many out there and many different brands do it, but this one apparently is very, very thin and very invisible, which is the ones I use are kind of cheap and they're very thick and very noticeable on the skin. So apparently this one is not detectable, so you can actually wear it during the day and you can put makeup over it as well. So it comes with 36 patches in 2 different sizes. They're in little sachets, which is nice. Oh, it's nice how they actually have it like, and he takes it off for ya. There you go. Can you see it? You cannot. Yeah, it really is like invisible. So they actually said with this one, you use it more for post pimple popping. So after you pop your pimple, you put this on and it helps heal your wounds and helps to basically stop bacteria from going into that wound, and also helps with scarring. So it's supposed to reduce the scarring and you get less of a scar when you take it off. This sounds honestly amazing because I don't have anything that's really post pimple popping. I tried the by Wishtrend cream and it didn't really work out for me, unfortunately. So this sounds more like something up my alley. I can just put it on and don't have to worry about rubbing it or rubbing the product off while I sleep. This is very, very exciting. So that is it, you guys. That is the full routine. You can do this routine AM and PM. Of course, if you're going to do it in the AM, please follow it up with the SPF, and they will be re-releasing this box on the 25th with a 25% discount.
Wait, no, hold up. That doesn't sound right. Sorry guys, this is Tina interrupting Tina because a lot has changed since I filmed the video, and actually for the better. So Wishtrend is currently having a site-wide promotion called the Cruelty free promotion. This means you can get up to 40% off their products, and this is their second biggest site-wide promotion annually. So instead of this Wish Try Love box being 25% off, it's actually 40% off, which means it's down from $141 to $84.60. That is almost half price. Essentially, that means you're only buying like the Mugwort Essence, the vitamin C serum, and the gel, and then you get everything else for free. So you get the wash, the cream, the patches for free, and then on top of that, you actually get a bunch of freebies. So currently, you get 10 of the Klairs Soft Airy UV Essence sample. You also get 10 of the Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream sample, and then also a miniature by Wishtrend Mandelic Acid Skin Prep Water in a 30ml. That is a ton of products for $84. That is such a good deal if you ask me. And then on top of all of that, you can also get an extra 15% off using my code TINA15. This code is only valid until the 30th of May, and the whole promo will finish at the end of the month as well. So if you were considering buying it, now is a perfect time to buy. This box is 40% off down to $84. You also get a bunch of freebies, can get extra 15% off using my code TINA15. Other products on their site are up to 40% off, and you also have another chance to get some more free goodies at checkout too. And lastly, if you spend over $100, you do get free expedited shipping. Oh my god, it's shipping.
So I will obviously leave all of the details in the description because that was a lot of information to take in. But I genuinely love so many of the products that Wishtrend have produced. That's why I probably keep mentioning them on my channel. I really do hope that this kit can help some of you guys out who are struggling with acne, breakout prone skin. I will try these products myself and see how they go because I am sick of looking at my skin. I know it doesn't look that bad and you guys are always so nice to tell me that my skin looks amazing, but I definitely have been struggling with breakouts lately, and you know, it gets you down. It truly does get you down. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I hope you're all healthy and happy and safe, first of all. Bye.